Hey Lily, hey Nina, and hey you, our listener. Welcome back to LEA, Learn English Anywhere. Today, we are not strong, not busy. Today is a super lazy day.
Oh, wow. Yes. Hi, Tom. Hi, everyone listening. If you love pajamas all day and I'll do it later, this episode is for you.
Yeah, hi. Lily here. On a lazy day, my brain says, no alarm. My bed says, stay. And my phone says, just one more video.
Right. No plans, no stress, just slow life. We'll talk about your lazy morning, lazy afternoon, and lazy evening with very simple English.
So relax, lie on your bed, or sofa, or floor. It's okay. Let's enjoy a lazy day together in English.
Okay, Lily, picture your perfect lazy morning. No work, no class, just you and your bed.
Ooh, nice. Lazy Lily mode. On a lazy day, I usually wake up very late.
Late, like what time?
Maybe 10 a.m., sometimes 11, sometimes nope, I don't want to say.
Yikes. 11 a.m.? Brain still loading, right?
Exactly. Eyes open, but my brain is like, please wait, still loading.
So you wake up, but you don't really get up. What do you do first?
First, I just lie in bed and check my phone. Messages, social media, funny videos, you know the deal.
Yeah, I know. Phone first, life later. 10 minutes. That becomes 30. Then 1 hour.
Right. 5 minutes is the biggest lie. On a lazy day, I don't fight it. I just say, okay, today is a slow day.
Do you eat breakfast early or super late?
Super late. I usually eat around 11 or 12.
So it's not breakfast, it's brunch already.
Yeah, egg and bread at 12. That's brunch, right?
What do you eat on a lazy day? Simple stuff?
Yeah, toast, eggs, maybe instant noodles. Nothing fancy.
Simple food, simple energy. No big cooking, just easy, so easy.
Listener, maybe your lazy morning is like this too. Wake up late, phone, late breakfast, very slow brain.
And that's okay. Some days can be slow. Lazy morning is also part of your daily story, you know?
Okay, Nina, now it's your lazy afternoon.
Afternoon. Yeah. That's my I'll do something maybe time.
After brunch, what do you usually do?
Honestly, I usually sit on the sofa with my phone or laptop.
Sofa, phone, laptop. Nice little triangle. Work triangle on work days. Lazy triangle on lazy days.
Totally. Sometimes I say I will study or read, but I just watch videos and call it English practice.
Wow, same. I watch drama and call it listening practice. Still English, but also still very lazy.
Sometimes I try to be a bit productive lazy. I clean my room very slowly, like one corner per hour.
1 corner per hour. That's real slow cleaning. But hey, That's still better than nothing, right?
Yeah, exactly. Lazy, but not 100% zombie. Maybe I fold clothes or wash some dishes.
Do you ever take a nap in the afternoon?
Oh, yes. Nap time is so good.
Nap time, lazy day. Bonus. How long is your little nap?
I say 20 minutes, but sometimes it's 1 hour. I wake up and think, oops, where am I? What year is this?
Yeah, nap so deep, you need a map when you wake up. But afternoon nap on a lazy day feels amazing, right?
Yeah, it feels so warm and calm. Listener, maybe you also have that I just close my eyes for a bit nap.
So lazy afternoon can be sofa, phone, videos, maybe slow cleaning, maybe deep nap.
Not busy, but not terrible. Just slow life. Lazy, but still a human day.
So, Nina, at the end of a lazy day, how do you feel?
Um, kind of mixed, you know?
Mixed? Like half happy, half guilty?
Exactly. Happy body, guilty brain.
Happy body, guilty brain. I love that. What do your evenings look like?
I usually take a shower, then wear very comfy clothes. Big t-shirt, soft pants, full do-nothing outfit.
The famous lazy uniform. No jeans, no real shoes, just home mode.
Then I eat something simple. Maybe order food. I tell myself, today I support local restaurants.
Nice, lazy, and kind to local business. After dinner, what then?
After dinner, I watch a movie or a series. Phone in one hand, snack in the other. Classic.
Ah, yes, phone plus movie, double screen life. And then the guilt comes, right?
Yeah, sometimes around 9 or 10 p.m. My brain goes, you did nothing today.
And your heart goes, but I was tired, okay? Lazy day versus tired body. They fight.
Exactly. So I try to be nice to myself. I say, it's okay. Most days I work hard. Today I rest.
Yeah, one lazy day doesn't make you a lazy person. It just means your body and brain needed a little break.
Listener, maybe you feel that too sometimes, right? You study, you work, and one day you just stop and breathe.
So at the end of a lazy day, you can say, today I woke up late. I stayed in bed with my phone. I ate simple food. I watched videos and took a nap. In the evening, I relaxed with a movie. I didn't do much, but I feel a bit more calm now.
Simple words, but honest feelings. Lazy day, but still part of your real life story.
Not every day must be strong and busy. Some days can be soft and slow.
Okay, my friend. Now think about your lazy day. Use this simple pattern in your head. On a lazy day, I usually wake up at, I stay in bed and, for food, in the afternoon, in the evening, at the end of the day, I feel.
You can also try a short version. On a lazy day, I stay at home. I wake up late, eat simple food, watch videos, and take a nap. I feel relaxed, but a little bit guilty.
You can pause now. Whisper it or say it out loud. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just tell the truth about your lazy day.
Ooh, and if you want these phrases to stay in your brain, listen again and echo our lines.
This is LEA, Learn English Anywhere. Thanks for relaxing with us today.
Take care of your busy days, but also your lazy days. This was Tom with Lily and Nina from LEA.
Okay, go live your day now. Lazy or not, it's still your day.
Yeah, and next time you have a lazy day, you can talk about it in English. See you in the next episode.